Luxury knows no bounds in the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, known as the pinnacle of automotive luxury. Elevated with extravagance and premium materials, and you get the Maybach S680. What if you take all that lux and go over the top and create a limited edition model of just 150 units? Well, behold the Mercedes-Maybach S680 Haute Voiture. The name Haute Voiture is inspired by haute couture, which is a fancy name for high fashion. In the same way, voiture means car, and this name literally translates to high car, which is quite befitting in this case, as this is the highest form of the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class yet. Welcome to yet another exciting DubiCars Exotic Car of the Week video. Today we are at the EMC Mercedes-Benz dealership in Abu Dhabi, and we're checking out this, the epitome of automotive opulence, the Mercedes-Maybach S680 Haute Voiture. Let's delve into what makes this car truly exceptional. When it was revealed at the end of 2022, it was referred to as drivable art, and that isn't really an exaggeration. The level of detail on this car is just out of this world. The sleek lines, the iconic Maybach emblem, and the sculpted details all come together to create a visual masterpiece that just turns heads wherever it goes. In typical Maybach fashion, it is finished in a contrasting dual-tone paint job. However, the colors are not anything standard. They are very special indeed. Up top you have metallic nautical blue, and at the bottom you have a rose gold finish. The wheels are finished in a shade of blue that matches the color on top. Several chrome elements are found across the car, and that includes the hood ornament, the grille, the window trim, even half of the door handles, and there are strips at the bottom of the doors on the front and rear bumpers. Step inside and you'll find yourself surrounded by an oasis of luxury. This cabin is a testament to Maybach's commitment towards unparalleled comfort and exquisite craftsmanship. The finest leather, meticulously stitched, adorns every surface. There are a few other elements in here that deserve your attention. The headliner, for example, features a unique pattern that is laser etched. The floor mats are made of linen and mohair, which is a yarn made of goat hair. You also have rose gold champagne glasses, and to keep your champagne nice and cold, you have a refrigerator in here. Other changes include updated visuals on all the screens, and they now feature rose gold accents as well. Rose gold is also found on a few other elements in the cabin of the Haute Voiture. In addition, you also have the standard Maybach features, which include an indefinite amount of legroom, very comfortable seats which include ventilation, heating, massaging, and you name it. So it's a really nice place to be in. The Haute Voiture features the same powertrain as other S680 models. Power comes from a 6-liter twin-turbo V12 engine that produces 621 horsepower and 900 Newton meters. It drives all four wheels via a 9-speed automatic gearbox and Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. This isn't really a car in which one would attempt a lot of 0 to 100 km/h runs, but if you're still interested, it does it in just 4 seconds, and it will go on to a top speed of 250 km/h, and that is electronically limited. The Haute Voiture is more than just a car. It's a statement of luxury, a blend of performance, elegance, and opulence that transcends the ordinary. This particular Mercedes-Maybach S680 Haute Voiture is number 125 out of the 150 and is up for grabs at EMC Mercedes-Benz in Abu Dhabi, so do go check it out. That's it from us for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.